Hey guys, my name is Andrea. I currently live in North Bay, Ontario. Just to put in perspective, it's about 3 hours north of Toronto. Um, I've decided to do the narrative therapy course because I really don't know anything about narrative therapy, and I'd like to learn as much as I can within the social work spectrum for different types of therapy and ways that we can help people. Um, with my last placement, I didn't really talk about it much. I don't think actually it was used at all. So it'll be nice to kind of expand my understanding of different therapies and hopefully use them in my future placement. And then hopefully on with um, other goals with my like other career goals and things like that. Um, yeah, I'm hoping I get to learn a lot from everyone else in the class, and I'm hoping that I can bring stuff to the table as well. I'm really looking forward to this class. Thanks.